Yeah, take it all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it.
Hey, what is up, guys? Today I've got my friend Benny with his brand new ducktail spoiler. What happened to your old one?
Flew off at like 120.
That's his FRS right there. It's fucking sexy. So basically what we're gonna be doing is putting more 3M tape right here, and then we're gonna put it on and hopefully it stays and doesn't fly off this time. Alright guys, we went crazy with the 3M tape because Benny really doesn't want this to fly off of his car again. Because how much was this?
This was like 120 bucks.
Yeah, and this is the second one he's bought, so if it was me, I would be doing the same thing. But yeah, this better not come off with all of the 3M tape we're putting on it. Alright, so peeling off the tape so that we can apply it. This better not fall off. There's so much 3M tape on this.
Whole team exercise.
Well, because the 3M tape is like stretching, so it's like longer than what we thought. Yeah. Like we have to hover it right over the foot. Alright, that's all you, buddy.
Yeah, watch the bottom part.
Alright, okay, that's good. That's good. That's perfect. Whoa, wait, what was that? What was that? Wait, what happened? Why did it push up? It needs to come over this way. That side is good. This side's good. Alright, it's all lined up. Wait, why did it like move when you pushed it?
You put it down on the floor.
It's on there.
It's better than the first
It's
time.
perfect. Dude, look, that clearance is absolutely perfect. They're exactly the same on both sides. Look at this, Adam. Look, they're perfect on each side. Oh my gosh. Dude, it ties everything in together. The black diffuser, black ducktail spoiler, blacked out taillights. Dude, now you know what you need? A black license plate cover, because the white, like cream colored license plate cover just kind of like messes it up. Dude, that looks nice. Thoughts on it?
Have to have it back.
Yes, dude, that really sucks that the last one flew off.
Like it looks so good before, and now it's. And I think this one might be a little longer.
Yeah, I think this one is a lot longer than the other one. But hey, dude, it looks so clean. And the fitment that we got on it, we got it perfect. Literally the exact same on both sides. It looks awesome, dude. Your car looks awesome. Yeah, so Benny had like this cream, like off-white color, like license plate cover, and I gave him my old black one, and it just looks so much better. Dude, the whole back end it looks so good, dude. That looks awesome. Just like from every angle. From here, it looks fucking sick. From the back. Dude, now all you need is a big ass sticker on the back. Send dudes, you have to do that one. You have to do that one. And then put your Snapchat right under it. Dude, we have the whole crew here now. What up, Gio? Dude, it's nice to see the Evo again. Dude, this thing is awesome. He's moving into a new house, so don't mind that it's all packed and dirty.
So he like never lets anyone drive it?
I guess. I mean, I had an Evo.
I'm moving right now. So.
Yeah, dude, lowered, JDM wing. Fuck. samurai sword in
I don't
his
need a
car.
gun, bro.
This is so nice.
Two step.
Two-step it. No, I'm kidding.